Hey, welcome everybody. Kelly here from Beacon Off-Road. I've got my Toyota Tacoma here in the shop and we're going to do a very quick and simple modification. So stay tuned. What I have for you here is a set of LASFIT LED bulbs. So we're going to quickly be installing these on the vehicle. If you weren't quite aware, all the bulbs in the Toyota Tacoma are LED except for these markers. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to swap these out. I haven't even opened the hood on this thing recently. So anyways, let's take a quick look under there and we should be able to install these very quickly. This really doesn't get any easier than this. Anyone can do this. It's very simple. Okay, so we're on the driver's side here. Got the hood popped. Obviously the bulb is located right in here, directly back. And we're just going to look down. Right here is the connector for it, or I should say the harness for it, and just follow your hand underneath. You can grab the wire, just reach forward, the connector is right there, and we're going to rotate this, well, depending on which way you're technically standing when you're doing this. Anyways, you're going to basically rotate it counterclockwise, so just turn it, and we've pulled the bulb out right here like this. Okay, so we have the connector and the bulb. Make sure you have your ignition off. If you've had the bulb on for a while, it could be hot, so make sure you don't burn your fingers. Mine's cool now. Anyways, got to give this a good firm tug and just pops out just like that. Now it's as simple as just plugging in the bulb. The one thing you have to be aware of, that this bulb will only work one way, meaning you can install it either way, but it will only operate in one way. So let's go ahead, we'll plug this in quickly, and then I'll just quickly turn on the light. Okay, so I turned mine on, it did not come on, so I'm gonna flip it 180 and then just turn it on. Maybe I'll just leave it a little ways away from the camera. Now we're ready to install it. If you didn't realize, the connector does have these tangs all around the sides, so it will really only install in one way. So relatively the same position that you just took it out in. You're going to reach under there, find the hole, and then just rotate it into position. So put it in the hole, and then just rotate it and lock it in. Simple as that. Okay, so here's the driver's side installed. So the marker light now is a bright white LED bulb, so it definitely changes the look. If this is what you're going after, it is very, very cool. Super bright compared to the orange halogen bulb. So there's still the factory bulb there. Let me go ahead and let me just turn the lights off here and let me show you what it's like in the darkness. Okay, so here we go. We have the lights off, and this is our bright white light, and that is our amber light. So a quick comparison of the turn, the turn signal or the hazard. So that's still factory. Yeah, it still looks pretty bright. The camera will make it look pretty bright. In person, it doesn't seem too bright, but these, holy moly. As you can see, we're going from the white to amber, and it is definitely brighter. People are definitely gonna be noticing you when you turn there. So should, it's almost like a help on safety is a little bit as well. Okay, driver's side's done. We need to do the passenger side. We're going to need to remove this box. It's very simple to do, actually. You can get yourself a little screwdriver, whatever you got. Basically, you can push the center of these clips in, and that will release them. Whoops, dropped one. See? Definitely don't do what I just did. Anyways, I dropped that one down in there. I'm gonna have to go and find it. So this just lifts off, and then we were going to be able to do the bulb just underneath here, just like the other one. Here's the wire for it, so we'll swap that out. But one thing with these clips, let me just show you, in order to re-engage these things, have a look here, you need to basically push these back out. So we want it in the up position, then when we go to install it, we can just put it back in and then just clip it or push it in to the flush point. So anyways, that is how you're going to do the passenger side. So there's with the full headlights on. I actually really like these factory headlights. Other vehicles, or even like my 2nd gen and my 3rd gen Tacoma, I wanted to upgrade the headlights. These, I really don't see any need in wanting to actually upgrade the whole headlight assembly themselves. I actually really like these lights, and I think these LASFIT T3 bulbs make a really nice addition to it. And just like that, we're done. Super simple, really easy. Something you can do pretty much anywhere. You don't even need a driveway. Do it in a random parking lot, do it in your garage, do it wherever you can. Take you just a couple of minutes. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment. And yeah, go ahead, get yourself a set of LASFIT T3 bulbs. See you next time. Bye-bye.